A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. Greetings everyone. We have both the captains and the match referee for the toss. Captain has won the toss and selected to field first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Turned away for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. There's an overthrow. Oh no! 4 bonus runs for the overthrows as well for the batsman. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Couldn't time that well as you'd have liked. Very good running between the wickets. Excellent running between the wickets. Good shot for a single. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. Finds the fielder, couldn't find that gap. Very good running between the wickets. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Well, it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Squeeze a single there, good running. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. That's an excellent throw. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Turned away for a single. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. No ball called. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound of the bat. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Spin him back, I think that's a good move. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line of the ball. Good shot for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Pushed in the gap. Batsman will look to get some valuable runs here. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. In the channel again, and the batsman doesn't fiddle with it. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Turned away for a single. Spinner brought back from the other end. Good shot for a single. Decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Excellent running between the wickets. Missing his line there, wide signalled. By signalled. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Glorious, absolutely glorious. He's not going to miss out on those. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. Pleasing to the eye. This effort by the fielder, mind-blowing. Impressed by the field sets where the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Last ball coming up. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's a dream start for the fielding team. What a delivery. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Pace bowler into the attack. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Masterful batting. He's not going to miss out on those. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Oh, that's nasty. Right into the body. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be 4. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Excellent dive. Superb reflect catch of the match. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Up in the air. Well, that's out. Poor shot from the batsman. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. That was fantastic piece of bowling. That's gone high. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. That was some smart bowling, enticing the batsman to play at that one. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Impressed by the field sets, where the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Batsman losing his concentration there. He didn't get any timing on that one. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Turned away for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Well, that's a six. The power is extraordinary. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I'm really grateful for my captain to have so much faith in me, and it really worked out there.